Hi everyone, welcome to the Visa Data Science Lab. My name is Kamran Ashraf, I'm a director in data science, and I'll be introducing the first module for today, which is just an introduction as to what the Data Science Lab is and what we're trying to achieve. So, first of all, thank you for taking an interest. What we're going to run through is a bit of evolution of data and its importance, and really to give the emphasis as to why we're doing this. Second of all, explain the mission. So the mission revolves around three things: innovation, collaboration, and education. And then finally, is to emphasize that we're constantly looking for feedback from all of you as to designing the data science lab to be something that you want to get value from. We're thinking of three key pillars: our people and developing their technical skills, aligning ourselves with the biggest opportunities in Europe identified in the Europe strategy, and finally making sure we're embedded within our clients' organizations so that we can drive their success. Giving you more flavor for that European strategy, and I think some of you may have seen this already, here's the Visa Europe strategy house, and there's a number of things here which will be the big opportunities for us to secure to grow our organisation faster. Cross-border has been mentioned a number of times, I'm sure. In your organisations, it has a disproportionate benefit on the P&L. There's also how we're going to transform our merchant relationships. So we make sure that Visa is doing everything it can in the four-party system to add value. Moving to our mission that I explained earlier, innovate, collaborate, and educate. With Innovate, we're now able, given what we've done, to bring the best of Visa globally into Europe. One example is Visa inferred attributes. In this way, we have ready-made engagement indexes and behavioral flags across all Visa portfolios, which allows our clients to target the right message to the right customer in a super efficient way. In this case, you can see it's about helping identify opportunities for e-commerce spend, for travel and entertainment, for contactless and other things. Fundamentally, all aimed at growing, retaining and aligning product propositions for consumers. Still under the Innovate, we've also looked at how we're going to work with our clients. And we've come up with 3 different levels of engagement. The first is a welcome, where those who may not know the power of Visa's data and don't know the capability we've built globally come and have a taster. They're able to understand what we can offer as an organisation. The second level of engagement is discovery. So having understood what's available from Visa, it's now sharing a business problem so we can put behind it our approach, our concept, and a roadmap to execute. And finally, we're hoping to get as many clients as possible to be partners, where we don't just have a roadmap and a plan, but we execute, bring resources, the client brings resources, and we co-create and co-share, finishing what we said was a great idea into implementation and looking for that investment to have a return. Under Collaborate, there's 2 big communities we're working with to make sure that data science doesn't look like it's a team on its own, but it's embedded in an ecosystem. The first is, we know of over 100 people in the organisation embedded who may have been data in the past, but they've moved on to managerial and business roles, or they're managers and they need to get more data savvy. So we've been building things like community open days. We brought a lot of thought leadership internal to the organisation and externally to the organisation. And we'll be running these things to inspire people to think of data science within their roles and how they can improve what they offer to their stakeholders and clients by adding more data science. The second group is women in technology. Going back, referring to the video and the evolution of data, you can see how many hidden figures there are and how much diversity there is in some great achievements over the years. And we want to make sure that we give everything to this group, whether it's resource, time, expertise, to really make Visa a place where anybody who has talent can thrive. Moving on to educate. We want everyone in this organisation to believe that they can taste or they can have a long-term career within data science. We've taken a framework from Edison, which pulls together all the key attributes you would need to be a data scientist. And what we've done is put against that a curriculum that people can see they may be weak on certain aspects and strong in other aspects, but they can follow this curriculum, and we'll be running events to educate people on different modules. They can follow the curriculum in order to improve their value to the organisation, their talent, their expertise in their function. So thank you for listening to me. Really appreciate you making the effort to engage with us, and we hope that we become great partners for you in the future. Thank you.